Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thunkable. First, navigate to the Thunkable website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you will see your project dashboard. Click on Create New App to start your first project. Give your app a descriptive name and choose whether it will be a blank project or start from a template. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute. Now, let's design your app's user interface. In the Design tab, you'll find a palette of components on the left. Simply drag and drop elements like buttons, text inputs, and images onto your app screen. On the right, you can adjust each component's properties, changing its color, font size, or position. You can add dozens of different components to build a rich interface. Next, we'll bring your app to life using the Blocks editor. This is where you define how your app responds to user interactions. Drag and drop blocks to create sequences of actions. For example, you can make a button change text when clicked or navigate to a different screen. There are hundreds of blocks available, offering immense flexibility for your app's logic. Finally, it's time to test and publish your creation. Use the Thunkable Live app on your phone to test your app in real time. Once satisfied, you can download your app as a standalone file for Android or iOS. For wider reach, submit your app to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, following their respective guidelines. This process ensures your app reaches millions of potential users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.